Hi, scholars. So we're moving on to lesson 4 of our skills unit, and it's a very short lesson. We just have 2 new sight words to review and 4 new uppercase letters to introduce. So our first hard word that we're going to learn today is the word why, and it's spelled W-H-Y. And usually we use this word when we're asking a question. For example, you can say, why is the sky blue? Or why are you out of your seat? So usually use this word when we're asking a question. So the part that we need to learn by heart is actually the last letter Y. So it's going to make an I sound. So we already learned with the word when that WH is a digraph that's going to go together to make the W sound. And then Y is going to make an I sound. So W, I, Y. Our next word is to, and it's spelled T-O-O. And it sounds the same as when you're saying the number 2, but it's spelled differently and it has a different meaning. To, when I'm using it with 2 O's, means as well or also. Like she needs to go to the bathroom too. And the part that we need to learn by heart is the double O sound. It's going to go ooh. So T makes the usual T sound, and the double O is going to say ooh. So when you put it together, it's T, ooh, two. And the next thing, friends, are our 4 new uppercase letters that we're going to learn today. So remember I said that we've been learning or seeing letters usually in their lowercase form, but they all have an uppercase or a capital, or sometimes I may say big letter. So we're just going to go over the next 4 in the alphabet, E, F, and G. And at home you can practice writing out the uppercase and the lowercase forms of these letters. And the last thing I want to show us, friends, is an activity, a vocabulary activity that can go along with our story of Anne's dress. So at home, you can take a piece of paper, and at the top, you can write one of the vocabulary words that we had in the story. And one word was block. I believe it said that Anne ran down the block. So you'll write the word block at the top, then you'll draw a picture at the bottom to go along with that word to show what it means. So you can copy what you saw in the story of Anne running down the block, or maybe you can show yourself on a block to show you know what that word means. The other word from our story was rips. So again, at the top of the page, you can write out the word rips, and then you'll draw a picture to show what it means. So Anne rips her dress, or you can maybe show you ripping something. So that's how you could show different vocabulary words from our story.